there, it's Deb, and I'm here with another valuable fixing and flipping tip for you. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about ceilings. That's right, ceilings. It's one of the canvases that's missed the most by fixers and flippers. And I think I know why, because what's really natural and normal is to paint ceilings white or some version of white, ceiling white, flat white, white, bright white. And what I'm here to tell you is that if you're willing to risk and try something new and different, that you will stand out from your competition and your properties, because you'll have that wow factor, but with a decorator eye, will sell for top dollar and quickly. You know, if you've been following me, that I sell my properties and I seek out properties that need to be fixed and flipped for first-time home buyer. So what I love to do is give them that wow factor and that really high decorator look on a budget. And that's what painting a ceiling does. It doesn't cost you any more to pick one or two rooms, or maybe the full first floor or second floor, and paint the ceiling in a really light, yummy, welcoming color. And I share that exact color with you in just a moment. But the other wow pow factor that I want to share with you is something that really will set you apart, and where you're going to choose one room in one specific area where you're going to frame out this area, creating that tray look on a decorator look on a very low budget. It's going to cost you about $150 in materials, and it will take you about 2 hours worth of labor with the right person who's very exacting and good at measuring to install it on the wall. So all it is 4 pieces of molding with a certain type of reveal that matches this flexible rubberized molding that matches it exactly, where you can bring in and do the curved corners that gives us this really regal, sharp area, where then you can enhance it with some fun decorator color that pops that room. So let me tell you the results that I get from buyers when they walk in, and even real estate agents when I go to list my property. As they walk in, and they're not expecting color on the ceiling, so they walk into that room and they look up, their jaw drops, and they go, wow, that's beautiful. And what you want to do is you want to pick a room where you could put a dynamic light fixture in too, because it just does that double pow wow, because you've got this beautiful color, this amazing light fixture, and it just sets that room apart. And I'm going to be showing you examples here in just a moment, so you can see all the different areas that I have actually done this with. I've done it in higher end rentals to really bring that value up and to give my tenants that rich feeling when they walk into their apartment. And I've done it several times in my flip projects. I've done it in dining rooms, I've done it in kitchens, and it's amazing the difference that it makes. So what I'd like you to do is just, if you're interested, give me your name and email address so you can get on my list and I can send you out other valuable information. It's going to take you to a downloadable PDF. And on the PDF, you'll know exactly where to buy this flexible molding. There's some pictures of the application itself and the actual molding and the item number that you need to buy so it matches when you put it on the ceiling. And I also share with you some of my secret designer, decorator paint colors. And believe you me, I try a lot of colors out so you don't have to. And I find the colors that give you that warm, the warm and that pow look and the designer look as well. So Deb Cleveland, with over 30 years of successful business, real estate investing, and fixing and flipping experience, always here and wanting to share with you my valuable information so that you can succeed. And bye for now.